Hey you guys, Sarah Alavi here, singer, songwriter, actress, and humanitarian. Today I'm going to remind you to shop at AmazonSmile.com. You can buy all the products that you like that you would usually purchase through Amazon for the same price and everything. Same products. However, when you purchase through Amazon Smile, then a partial proceeds from your purchase is going to benefit a charity of your choice. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into my topic today. And my topic today is how to look younger overnight. And I swear by this. I have done it a million times and it works. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna do the top 3 ways. Number 1 is pretty obvious, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. If you have been slacking on your water intake, make sure you up it big time. The more hydrated your skin, the more plump your skin, the more youthful your skin. So as we age, we actually lose that plump and that mass in our skin, so it makes us look more like gaunt, if you will. So we need more hydration to boost that youthful look. Okay, so that's number 1, water. Easy to go, but wait for number 2. Number 2 is my secret weapon, and I'm not even kidding you. I could go an entire week without sleeping. I mean, I sleep a lot, to be honest with you. But if I get under eye bags or I'm super exhausted and it's showing on my face, it's showing in my skin, I'm not drinking enough water, whatever it may be that is kind of looking more gaunt on me or I'm looking less hydrated, I have a magic fix that I swear by. You put this on your face overnight and you will look younger the next day. I have never, ever, mark my word, not looked more younger, plump, and youthful the next day. So that product is called the Image Skincare Hyaluronic Acid. So this hyaluronic acid is by Image Skincare, and I love Image Skincare. I love them so much. I do not profit from selling or talking about this product, but I use it and I'm on their auto ship. So every couple months I get a full dose of hyaluronic acid. Now let me explain to you, hyaluronic acid is actually within our bodies. It's a natural substance within our bodies and we produce it since we're very young. Now, as you age, you're actually gonna have less and less production. So it's important for you to actually boost your hydration within and put it on the outside as well. So hyaluronic acid is actually something they also use in fillers. So if you were to go to a cosmetic place or go see a physician to do fillers, lips, cheeks, whatnot, they're actually adding a boost of hydration into your skin, hyaluronic acid, something that your body is comfortable with and something that your body produces naturally. Again, as you age, it's gonna go less and less. Okay, so you actually want to add more to create that youthful look. This I swear by. So what I do is I actually take out, it's a dropper, and I take a little drop like this, and I put it on the palm of my hand, okay? Now I dip my finger in it, and I rub most of it, because I like plump lips, most of it on my lips. The rest of it I actually put throughout my face, upper cheekbones, and anywhere that looks a little dull or less hydrated. You do that, you sleep on it, you wake up the next day, and I would be shocked if you do not see a difference. I want you to tell me if you have hyaluronic acid by Image Skincare and you've seen a difference, please write it in the comments because I swear by this, it's my number 1 go-to. All right, so I talked about hyaluronic acid, which is like a quick fix overnight, right? It's a topical that you put over your skin that will look radiant and youthful and amazing the next day. However, let's talk about number 3. It's basically how to give your body what it needs on the inside so it continually produces more hyaluronic acid, collagen, etc., and protects your skin from radiation and so on. This is actually the sister company of Image Skincare, and it's called Hush and Hush. Now, this particular product also helps you from the UV light and also the blue lighting on your phone. So actually, whether or not you know this, but the blue light is actually detrimental to our skin, and if we're always on social media or always on the computer or the telephone, then we're going to get a sense of more damaged skin, okay? So this is actually called Sheild Up, and this is one of my absolute favorites. I take 2 of these a day, and again, it really helps boost my hydration. So that way, if I forget to drink a lot of water, which I still should, or if I don't use my hyaluronic acid by Image Skincare the night before, I'm still contributing to my body, so it naturally produces on its own, and it's gonna create that natural youthful effect over time. So it's really important to give your body what it needs for longevity. So it's not just a quick fix, it's actually a whole round fix. So in conclusion, I hope you liked my top 3 tricks to look radiant and youthful overnight. I swear by these, they work for me day in and day out. Let me know how they work for you. Write it in the comments below. If you feel that this video has been helpful, please put a thumbs up. I'm gonna put links below in the description so you have an idea of how to shop for these amazing products. Secondly, if you'd like to share with your friends, go ahead and share it. And if you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Again, if you put the bell on your subscribe, then you actually get notifications whenever I post something new. Go ahead and write in the comments if there's anything else that you would like to hear from me. And thank you for tuning in and joining me today. All right, you guys, peace.